Everyone, welcome to my channel. When you add or subtract integers, that time you have to think a number line. So this is the number line. You have to move towards right hand side when second integer is positive. Here the first integer is -2. So this is the -2. And the second integer is +2. It is positive. So you have to move towards right hand side. How many steps? 2 times. +2 given here, no? 1, 2. So answer is 0. Let us take the second case. 2 plus 3. First integer is +2. First integer is +2. Second integer is +3. So +3 means you have to move towards right hand side. How many places? 3. 1, 2, 3. So answer is 5. Let us take third. First integer is +4. +4. And here two minus signs are there. Therefore, minus into minus is plus. +2 means positive sign. So +2 means you have to move towards right hand side. So here 4. So how many places you have to move? 2 places. 1, 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Let us take the next case. -6. So first integer is -6. And this minus minus plus. So +2. So +2 means you have to move towards right hand side. 1, 2. So answer is -4. Let's take this case. You have to move towards left hand side of the number line when second integer is negative. Here the first integer is -2. So this is the -2. Second integer is -2. It is negative. So this is negative. That time you have to move towards left hand side. So how many places? 2 places. 1, 2. So correct answer is -4. Here the first integer is 2. Here the first integer is 2. So -3. So -3 means you have to move towards left hand side of the number line. So -3. So how many places you have to move? 3. 1, 2, 3. So correct answer is -1. Here the first integer is 4. Here two signs are there. Minus into plus is minus. So first integer is what? 4. Sorry. First integer is 4. And second integer is -2 now. -2 means you have to move towards left hand side. So how many places? 2. 1, 2. Answer is 2. Next case. First integer is -6. -6. And this is minus and plus. Therefore you have to write minus. So -2. Second integer is negative. Therefore you have to move towards left hand side. How many places? 2. 1, 2. So correct answer is -8. Thank you for watching.